If the robot is not in use for an extended period of time, please follow these storage steps. Thoroughly clean and dry the filter basket, brush rollers, track treads, and cogs. Ensure that no residual water remains inside the robot. Fully charge the robot before storage. Store it in a well-ventilated, shaded location with an ambient temperature between 5 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius and humidity below 80% RH. For long-term storage, recharge the battery to between 40% and 60% every 3 months to preserve battery health. Failure to do so may cause the battery to enter a deep discharge state, which can lead to permanent damage. Keep the robot out of reach of children and persons with reduced physical, sensory, or mental capabilities, or those lacking in experience and knowledge, unless they are under close supervision or have received instruction concerning its use.